Ever turned on your TV, PC, or monitor, and nothing happens? Or maybe it turns on, then shuts off again? Don't panic. It might just be your power cord. In this video, I'll show you how to check, fix, and secure a loose power cord issue step by step, and save your device from unnecessary repair costs. Step 1. Basic safety and inspection. Before touching anything, always start by unplugging your device completely from the power source. This step may sound basic, but it's the most important for your safety. Electricity can still run through even when the device looks off. Once it's unplugged, carefully inspect the entire power cord. Look closely at both ends, where it connects to the wall and where it goes into your device. Check for any visible signs of damage such as bends, cracks, frays, burn marks, or cuts. Pay special attention to the plug area. That's where damage often hides. If you see any of these signs, don't try to tape or twist it yourself. That can cause electric shock or even fire hazards. The best and safest option is to replace the cord with a new, genuine one that matches your device model. Close-up of unplugging cord. Hand-turning cable, showing close-up of frayed wire, burn mark on plug. Text on screen. Step 2. Test the outlet or socket. Now let's make sure the issue isn't your power outlet. Many times, the cord is fine, but the socket isn't delivering any power. Plug in another simple device, like a mobile charger or table lamp, and see if it turns on. If that device also doesn't work, your wall outlet might be faulty or the circuit breaker could be off. Try a different socket or extension board that you know is working. You can even test the first outlet later using a voltage tester, but only if you know how to do it safely. User plugging lamp into socket. No light plugs into second outlet, light turns on. Text overlay. Confirm your outlet works before replacing cords. Step 3. Secure the cord connection. Next, firmly plug the power cord back into your device. You should feel a solid connection, not loose or shaky. Gently wiggle the plug and watch your device's power indicator. If the light flickers or turns off when you move the cord, the socket inside your device may be loose or the cable connector is worn out. Try using another cable if you have one that fits. If the new cable works fine, you've confirmed the original cord is faulty. Avoid forcing it in or pushing it at an angle that can damage the internal power port. Plugging cable into TV/monitor, slow zoom showing, click, fit small test, wiggle, flickering light fixed. Step 4. Check the power brick or adapter. If your device has a power brick or adapter, like laptops, monitors, or gaming consoles, it's time to inspect that too. Feel the brick with your hand. If it's extremely hot or making a humming noise, unplug it and let it rest for at least 5 minutes. Overheating adapters can temporarily shut off to protect themselves. On the other hand, if the adapter feels cold and doesn't show any power light, it might not be delivering voltage at all. Try using another compatible adapter of the same rating if you have one. Always check the voltage and amperage printed on the adapter before swapping. Using the wrong one can damage your device. Close-up of power brick on desk, user touching it to check heat, unplugging, then swapping adapter. If this video helped, hit like, subscribe, and comment.